Hello, it's Miles McGeehan here, and I wanted to share with you a nice instructor tool within the CourseSites LMS. We're going to take a look at the Evaluation Center, and we can find that here in the Course Management area. We'll start with the Performance Dashboard. The Performance Dashboard is a very quick look at the time the students last logged into the course. So the numbers here represent the days since the student's been into the course. And these other numbers indicate if a student's using the optional marked reviewed status for different assignments, as well as the number of discussions that have been posted recently and so forth. So that's a quick, nice look. If we go back to the Evaluation Center here, another good one to check out is Course Reports. Here there's a variety of different reports. In fact, there's actually numerous reports to create. And I think some of the better ones are right here, the Course Activity Overview, Course Coverage Report, Course Performance, Overall Summary of User Activity. And when you run one of these reports, you would just highlight or select the little caret next to the end of the course report name and choose Run. And we can select the type of format the report would be created in, either a PDF or an Excel or a Word document. We'll need to select a start date and an end date. So selecting something by the back to the beginning of the course might work. And the end of the course here, and then you can select users. Now do note that if you hold down the command button, you can actually select more than one user. And choose Submit. Some of these reports do take upwards of 10 to 20 seconds, and sometimes, depending on the report, maybe a minute or two. Alright, here's my PDF. It's 16 pages long. It's got a lot of detailed information. Each of the reports can be saved to the content collection for later evaluation. You can download the report to your desktop, or you can run a new report. If you run a new report, you will jump back to that previous screen. Or I can go back over to the Evaluation Center and select a completely different type of report. I do like the Course Activity Overview as well. So the Course Activity Overview is a pretty slick report. It's kind of interactive actually. You can scroll down, and this actually asks that if you want, you can click on the bar to see activity for a particular student. So by clicking on the bar, another report pops up for that particular student, and it debuts the amount of hours spent in different activities within the course. It demonstrates the number of times they clicked on or accessed certain materials within the course, and so forth. So there's a lot of great things here to take a look at with student performance. You know, I think this is neat here. The content folder is a great way, you know, all the content in week 5, week 6, week 1, etc. demonstrates how long different students spent in those different course content areas, which is a pretty powerful way of monitoring. Now do note, I'm going to jump back to our course materials area, and to be able to gather that type of data, it's very important that a teacher would select statistics tracking right here for either a content specific items or an assignment or a quiz, etc. As well as you can select a whole folder or a whole module and do statistics tracking. So you need to make sure that that's turned on so that you can collect that data and run these types of reports. Generally, whenever I make a new assignment, I always turn it on. Whatever type of content I create, I turn that on. And you know, you never know when you need to pull one of those reports to monitor or evaluate student participation within the course. Well, I certainly invite you to check out some of these reports on your own. They're usually pretty informative, the different types of reports. They have a good little summation of what the report contains. And you know, it takes a little poking around to find the type of report that you like personally, but there's some great information in there about user statistics. Until next time, have a great day.